How you doing, YouTube? It's Tyler with Reptiles by Tyler Galenas. We're going to be doing a frog unboxing today. Let's get into it. So we got ourselves a fair bit of little froggers here from Josh's Frog. Very respectable, reputable source. They're all captive bred. Let's get into it. So the first guy we're going to pop in is the red-eyed tree frog. I've got gloves on. Frogs can absorb the toxins in your hands and can perish from it. Come on, buddy. Absolute beautiful frog. I'm lucky to have this frog. So next, we got an hourglass frog. Absolute beautiful specimen. There it went. It's a beautiful frog right there, guys. Existing in this tank already, we have our little dart frog back there. So we have a Starry night reed frog. So we're gonna pop in the other Starry night reed frog. We had got ourselves a sexed pair. Beautiful frog. I'm lucky to have these frogs. Now we're going to move on to the blue back reed frog sexed pair that we picked up. It's a beautiful frog, guys. Blue back in the name. He sure doesn't have a lot of blue on his back. Now there's the other one. That one does have a bit more blue in it. That is a beautiful frog right there. I'm lucky to have that frog. So now we're going to put in a tiger leg tree frog. Here the guy is. Well, he looks a tad dehydrated. He needs himself some water. Come on, buddy. That is a beautiful frog right there, guys. So we have one more blueback reed frog. Oh, she didn't come out. There she goes. She is a beautiful specimen. So right there we have a dart frog. Don't know if y'all got the glimpse of him. My apologies. So next we have a glass frog. One of my favorites, Mr. Glasser. Look at that. Like, share, and subscribe if that's precious. Because we all know that is. What? So now the rest we got to pop in is different morphs of dart frogs, guys. Beautiful specimens. For example, isn't that beautiful? Oh, no, you're on my skin, buddy. Good job. Oh, this one's ready to go out. They ain't playing around in here. They enjoy their home. Yellow poison dart frog. Last but not least, our blue poison dart frog. Well, we had a jumper, guys. There he goes. Well, that didn't get as out of hand as it could have. Glad to have all my tree frogs in their enclosure. They're all beautiful. I'm a lucky guy to have them. Have a nice day, YouTube. Reptiles by Tyler Galanis.